Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili rojo. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality dried chilies such as New Mexico or California varieties. These form the heart of your sauce. Next, lightly toast the chilies in a dry pan for a few minutes, being careful not to burn them. This step really brings out their complex flavors. Finally, rehydrate the toasted chilies in hot water until they are tender, which usually takes about 20 minutes. Once your chilies are rehydrated, it's time to prepare them for blending. Carefully remove the stems and most of the seeds to ensure a smooth, less bitter sauce. Next, sauté some chopped garlic and onion in a little oil until they are translucent and fragrant. These aromatics will add depth to your chili rojo. Finally, transfer the chilies, sautéed aromatics, and a cup or two of chicken or vegetable broth to a blender. Now blend the mixture until it's completely smooth. This might take a few minutes to achieve the desired consistency. After blending, strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve into a pot, pressing down on the solids to extract all the liquid. This step is crucial for a silky, restaurant-quality texture. Then, add your preferred spices, like cumin and oregano, and simmer the sauce gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. To finish your chili rojo, taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch of salt and perhaps a tiny bit of sugar to balance the heat and acidity. This versatile sauce is perfect over shredded pork or beef, as an enchilada sauce, or even as a base for a hearty stew. It freezes beautifully too, so make a big batch. For more great cooking tips and other deals, check the description below, including a link for darn tough socks. They are incredibly comfortable and durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.